I'm going to be working on what I like to call an upcycled soap. So in here I have soap scraps from the batches I've made the last couple months, and these are a lot of nice kind of florally, a little bit fruity scents. And I have this fragrance that is Emerald Agave from Brambleberry, and I have 3 of these small bottles. So with this plus this, it's enough to make 40 bars of soap. My plan is to do the confetti soap with that kind of mixed in, and then have little cactus on top. So I'm working on making those right now. I only have 2 of these little molds. So I'm doing 3 different colors of green. I have an evergreen that is from Wholesale Supplies Plus. This one is olive green from Brambleberry, and then in the microwave right now I have a green vibrance from Nurture Soap. So loud noise, sorry. Anyway, I'm using an LCP light cold process melt and pour soap. This one's from Brambleberry, and it's good for this application, but it is a little bit more crumbly than what you would normally deal with when you're doing a regular melt and pour soap. So because it is low sweat, then it doesn't have as much of that glycerin in it. So this is really good for using with cold process soaps. So anyway, I'm going to pour these. I need to actually trim these because these are a little bit bigger. My bars are 1 inch, so I can't put them this way, so I'm going to put them sideways. And then see, I cut that off, so this puts it right within that 1 inch mark. Let me grab my big mold. I made this mold a couple months ago, so this will be 40 bars. I made little marks there, so this is 1 inch apart. It'll get cut right down the middle, and then I will place them right in there. Now with this fragrance, it does discolor to kind of a purpley color, so I'm going to take advantage of that and then just add more purple. I don't know quite which color purple I'm going to do yet. So I'm going to go ahead and trim these, finish pouring those, trim those. I've got a couple more to make because I need 40 of them, and then we'll come back when it is time to make the actual soap. Everything ready to go for that confetti soap, and I've got my oils ready. I'm going to go ahead and do 2/3 of the batch using the confetti as the base, and then I have a third that I'm going to be doing a purple mica. I decided to go with the orchid mica. So let's go ahead and get started. Have all of my little cactus ready to go. Let me grab those real quick. So I got them all trimmed up, and I put lines on my mold, and then I've got some little extras because I will have some extra soap. So let's go ahead and get started. ready to cut this soap. Didn't it turn out really cool? I went ahead and split the loaf and beveled the edges, the main long edges. So let's go ahead and give it a cut. But doesn't that confetti look really cool? Hopefully I'll have some drop swirls in there with the purple. I put just a tiny bit extra mica in that top layer, but the oil swirls came out really nice. So I'm really happy about that. Those oil swirls on top, can't talk, those oil swirls on top, those are with a morphing mica that does not work well in cold process. However, I've discovered that when you use those as oil swirls, they really turn out really pretty and they hold true to the color. So if I were to use that purple, that dark purple, in cold process as, you know, mix-in, it turns to kind of a mottled gray. So I'm happy with how that turned out. So let's go ahead and give these a cut.